Trail running continues to grow, and whether you're climbing steep switchbacks, navigating loose gravel, or running long miles through the forest, your shoes can make or break the experience. The right pair isn't just about comfort, it's about fit, grip, protection, and how it responds to your stride on unpredictable terrain. With so many choices out there, we've narrowed it down to 6 trail running shoes that stand out in 2025 for different reasons, terrain, distance, and foot type included. In this video, we'll break down the key features of each. Links to all the shoes mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. Altra Lone Peak 9. Great for zero-drop purists who want cushioning without sacrificing ground feel, the Altra Lone Peak 9 continues to be a reliable choice for natural-style trail runners. Known for its wide toe box and foot-shaped design, this shoe encourages a more natural stride, giving your toes the space to splay and work as they should over uneven terrain. Like previous versions, the Lone Peak 9 features a 0mm heel-to-toe drop. That flat platform appeals to runners who prioritize a low-impact gait or want better ground connection without going full minimalist. The midsole uses Altra's balanced cushioning, moderate in volume and slightly tweaked from the Lone Peak 8 to improve responsiveness on longer runs. It offers a decent balance of comfort and control without feeling overly soft or mushy underfoot. Underneath, you get the Max Track rubber outsole with trail claw lugs, sharp enough to bite into dirt trails, gravel paths, and moderate inclines. The grip is solid in most dry conditions, though traction may drop off in wet or deeply muddy environments. Weight sits at approximately 10.6 ounces for men's sizing, making it middle of the road for trail shoes in this category. The upper is lightweight and breathable, built from quick-drying mesh with reinforced overlays and a more durable toe cap. Drainage ports are a welcome touch for stream crossings or rainy days. This shoe works best for runners with medium to wide feet who value toe room and flexibility. If you're used to structured heels or high-drop shoes, the zero-drop setup might take some adjustment. Number 5. Saucony Peregrine 15. Built for aggressive terrain with a lower stack height and rock plate protection, the Saucony Peregrine 15 continues to deliver reliable performance on rugged trails. If you're heading into rocky climbs, route-laced single-track, or sharp descents, this shoe gives you the confidence to keep your pace steady and sure. The outsole is equipped with Saucony's Power Track rubber and 5mm chevron-shaped lugs, which dig in well on steep switchbacks and uneven terrain. Beneath that, a flexible rock plate adds a layer of protection without making the shoe overly rigid. It strikes a nice balance, shielding your foot from sharp objects while still allowing enough flex to stay agile on the move. The Power Run midsole leans toward the firmer side but stays responsive, offering a stable feel on uneven ground. It's not pillowy, but it gives a quick, energetic rebound that makes it suitable for picking up the pace on race day or tempo efforts. Weight comes in around 9.2 ounces for men's sizing, keeping it light enough for speed but substantial enough for protection. The upper has been reworked for better breathability and improved durability. It's snug across the midfoot and holds the foot securely, especially in tricky terrain. The fit runs narrower overall, which may be a drawback for runners with wide feet or high volume. With a moderate 4mm drop, it suits both heel and forefoot strikers looking for versatility. It's most comfortable on efforts up to 20 miles, especially when terrain is technical and varied. Number 4. Brooks Catamount 4. This one's for runners who want speed over distance, with a racing-ready feel that doesn't skimp on traction or control. The Brooks Catamount 4 brings a performance-focused design to the trail, blending responsive cushioning with propulsion and grip for a confident, fast ride. At the core of the Catamount 4 is Brooks DN, a flash midsole, nitrogen-infused for a lightweight and lively ride. It cushions well underfoot without slowing you down, making it a strong option for those looking to push the pace. Integrated into the midsole is the Skyvault propulsion plate, which adds a noticeable energy return when powering uphill or transitioning through descents. You get a touch of spring without stiffness. The Trail Tack Green outsole uses an updated rubber compound made from recycled materials, and its multi-directional lugs grip well in both dry and wet conditions. Whether you're crossing packed dirt or muddy single-track, traction holds up nicely. The shoe weighs in at about 9.1 ounces for men's sizing, and the 6mm drop, 28mm heel, 22mm forefoot offers a familiar, balanced platform for most runners. The new upper is a reinforced mesh that strikes a balance between breathability and structure, helping it stay secure at faster paces. A snug midfoot lock-in gives you confidence on technical sections without feeling restrictive. Drainage is solid, good news for variable weather or stream crossings. It's race-ready but may feel a bit minimal if you're going beyond marathon distances or prefer more cushion underfoot. Number 3. Hoka Speedgoat 6. A fan favorite that returns lighter, more stable, and just as cushioned, the Hoka Speedgoat 6 continues to be a go-to for long-distance trail runners who want comfort without compromising traction or durability. The standout feature remains the Vibram Mega Grip outsole with traction lugs, offering excellent grip across dry rocks, loose gravel, and muddy climbs. Whether you're climbing technical switchbacks or descending steep ridgelines, the traction holds steady even in less than ideal conditions. The midsole has been updated with a new CMEVA foam that's softer than before, but with better responsiveness. It keeps the plush feel Hoka is known for while making the ride feel a bit more energetic, especially on longer efforts. The Speedgoat 6 maintains a generous stack height, approximately 38mm at the heel and 34mm at the forefoot, with a 4mm drop. That high volume of cushioning is ideal for long-distance comfort without too much ground feel. Weight has come down slightly, now sitting at around 9.5 ounces for men's sizing, making it lighter than you'd expect for a max cushion trail shoe. The upper also gets an upgrade. More breathable mesh, a gusseted tongue to keep debris out, and an improved heel collar that adds security without extra pressure. Hoka's signature Meta Rocker geometry helps promote smoother transitions, especially helpful on long, rolling trails. It's built to go the distance, whether that's a 50K or even a 100-mile race. That said, the bulkier build might not suit short-distance trail racers who want something more nimble. It's best used on moderate to technical trails where comfort and grip are priorities. Number 2. Brooks Divide 5. A hybrid shoe that blends road comfort with off-road capability, the Brooks Divide 5 is a solid choice for beginners or anyone transitioning from pavement to trail. It delivers a familiar ride for road runners while adding just enough trail-ready features for mild terrain. The outsole uses a segmented trail tack rubber design that offers dependable traction on dirt paths, gravel, and uneven park trails. It's not overly aggressive, which helps maintain a smoother ride on paved or hard-packed surfaces. Cushioning comes from Brooks DNA Loft Foam, which feels plush and forgiving, much like what you'd expect from a road shoe. Combined with a neutral platform, it provides stability without feeling stiff or overbuilt. The stack height sits at around 30mm in the heel and 22mm in the forefoot, giving an 8mm drop that works well for heel strikers or runners new to trail running. At around 9.1 ounces in men's sizing, the Divide 5 strikes a balance between weight and protection. It's light enough to feel nimble but offers more cushioning than most entry-level trail shoes. The updated mesh upper improves breathability and features strategic overlays for a little extra protection against rocks or trail debris. A modest toe guard and padded collar add to its comfort-focused build. The slight rocker shape in the midsole helps smooth out transitions, especially useful for mixed terrain or longer efforts where efficiency matters. It's not built for rugged mountain trails, but for casual trail runs, greenways, or light hiking, it's an approachable, budget-friendly option, often priced under $120. Number 1. Salomon S. Designed for racing, Salomon's flagship trail runner is built for pure performance. Lightweight, precise, and stripped down to the essentials, this shoe is all about speed on technical ground. The midsole features Salomon's Energy Foam, offering a low-profile yet bouncy feel that delivers quick responsiveness without feeling harsh underfoot. It's tuned for those who want feedback from the trail without sacrificing propulsion. You won't get plush cushioning here, but that's by design. The upper is built from Matrix, a proprietary woven material that's incredibly light, durable, and form-fitting. It hugs the foot with precision and resists stretching even during aggressive side-to-side motion. It's also highly breathable, helping regulate foot temperature during intense efforts. Underneath, the Contra Grip outsole is engineered with a fine-tuned lug pattern that grips exceptionally well on slick rock, loose dirt, and wet terrain. Despite the shoe's minimalist feel, traction doesn't take a back seat. Stack height is around 23.5mm at the heel and 19.5mm at the forefoot, giving it a 4mm drop, enough to support an efficient, race-ready stride. Weighing in at just 7.4 ounces, it's one of the lightest trail shoes in its class. The quick lace system allows for fast on and off adjustments with a single pull, keeping things secure without the hassle of double knots. This shoe is best suited for elite-level or competitive runners focused on shorter races, up to half-marathon trail distances or fast training days. It's not ideal if you need extra cushioning, arch support, or all-day comfort. The Matrix upper is functional but minimal with little padding. Whether you're racing 10Ks through the mountains or going long on weekend adventures, there's a shoe on this list that matches your needs. That wraps up our list of the top 6 trail running shoes for 2025. Whether you need extra grip for rugged climbs, long-distance cushioning, or a lightweight option built for speed, there's something here for every type of trail runner. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details on each shoe. If this video helped you narrow down your options, give it a like, and let us know in the comments which pair you're thinking about picking up. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and keep running.